Rice cultivation and harvesting process with combine harvesters. Rice, one of the most important crops in the world, not only provides the primary source of food for billions of people but also symbolizes ancient agricultural civilizations. From the lush rice fields in Southeast Asia to the plains in the Americas and Europe, rice cultivation requires a meticulous process and several stages of care. During cultivation, rice needs to be grown in flooded fields to ensure optimal development. Farmers must prepare the soil, plow it, and then sow the seeds in water-filled plots. This process requires careful attention to irrigation, pest control, and providing the right nutrients for the rice plants. Once the rice has matured and harvest season approaches, modern technologies, such as combine harvesters, play a vital role in saving time and increasing labor efficiency. A combine harvester is a mechanized device designed to harvest rice quickly and precisely, with the ability to cut, thresh, clean, and collect rice grains in a closed-loop process. The machine helps reduce the heavy labor required from farmers. As the combine harvester moves across the field, the cutting blades sever each rice plant and direct them into the threshing system. The rice grains are separated and stored in a chamber, while the straw is pushed out. This harvesting process not only saves farmers time but also preserves the rice grains intact, minimizing losses. With the rapid development of technology, the agricultural industry has not only advanced technically but has also contributed to changing the lives of millions of farmers around the world. In the past, harvesting rice required significant labor and time, from manually cutting each rice stalk to collecting the grains by hand. However, today, with the advent of combine harvesters, this process has become much faster and more efficient. Combine harvesters not only save time but also help reduce risks and losses during the harvesting process. Minimizing these losses is particularly important as rice is the main food source for billions of people worldwide. These modern technologies not only help farmers improve labor productivity but also enable them to maintain stability in crop production, especially in years with unusual weather or climate fluctuations. Additionally, the application of new technologies not only brings economic benefits to farmers but also helps protect the environment. When combine harvesters operate more efficiently, the amount of straw and waste decreases, while also reducing the need for manual labor in harsh weather conditions. Optimizing the production process not only helps farmers improve their livelihoods but also contributes to the protection and sustainable development of the agricultural industry. The combination of traditional rice farming techniques and modern machinery, such as combine harvesters, has increased agricultural productivity, helping farmers reduce the burden of work while providing abundant food supplies globally. With the continued development of technology, rice cultivation is sure to improve further, delivering even greater efficiency in the future. Keep watching the video to see how the combine harvester technology works in real life. You'll witness how the harvesting process becomes faster and more efficient, and the benefits it brings to farmers and the agricultural industry. We'll follow the actual footage to gain a deeper understanding of this advancement.